Multiplication and division of surds. Objective: multiplication and division of surds. Multiplication and division of surds. Step 1. Express each surd in its simplest mixed form. Step 2. Observe whether the given surd are of the same order or not. Step 3. If they are of the same order, then the required product is obtained by multiplying the product of the rational coefficient by the product of surd factors. If they are of different orders, then the product is obtained by the above method after reducing them to surds of the same order. If different order surds have the same base, then their product can easily be obtained using the laws of indices. Ath root of x into bth root of x equals to x power 1 by a into x power 1 by b equals to x power of 1 by a plus 1 by b. Ath root of x into ath root of y equals to ath root of xy. Illustration 1. Simplify cube root 2 into fourth root of 3. Cube root 2 into fourth root of 3. Here, cube root 2 and fourth root of 3 are having different orders. To reducing them as surds of the same order, take the LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Cube root 2 equals to 2 power 1 by 3. 2 power 1 by 3 equals to 2 power 4 by 12 equals to 12th root of 2 power 4. 4th root 3 equals to 3 power 1 by 4 equals to 3 power 3 by 12 equals to 12th root of 3 cube equals to 12th root of 2 power 4 into 12th root of 3 cube equals to 12th root of 2 power 4 into 3 cube equals to 12 root of 16 into 27 equals to 12th root of 432. Illustration 2. Find the product of 7 into 4th root of 4 into 5 into 4th root of 3. Solution equals to 7 into 5 into 4th root of 4 into 4th root of 3. (35) into 4th root of 12. Illustration 3. 24 divided by cube root of 200 equals to root 24 by cube root of 200 equals to 6th root of 24 cube by 6th root of 200 square. 6th root of 216 by 625. Summary.